Página 356, so page 356. Me cae muy bien tu amigo. I really like your friend. Me cayó mal es tipo. I didn't like, and this could be translated a couple different ways. You could say that type, perhaps, that guy, that kind, that sort. Maria es muy buena gente, so Maria is really nice. Literally, it says there is very good people, but we'd probably translate it as really nice, even though I like the way that sounds, right? Me llevo muy bien con él. I get along very well with him. Okay, you're going to be on página 358. We have quedé muy impresionado or impresionada con San Diego. So I thought San Diego was great. If you're male, you're going to be using the O ending. If you're female, you're going to use the A ending there. Me parecía lindísima la ciudad. It seemed very pretty. You might say the city seemed very pretty, perhaps. Está rodeada de colinas. It's surrounded by hills. I love the Spanish word for hills, colinas. El clima es muy seco y hace bastante calor. The climate is very dry and it is quite hot. Notice that the word climate here is masculine because of the article, but it ends in an A. So be careful with that. It's one of those unusual words. Okay, página 360. La semana que viene pensamos ir a Santa Barbara. So next week we are going to Santa Barbara. Next week we plan to go to Santa Barbara, perhaps. Voy a acabar este libro para fines de agosto. I am going to finish this book by the end of August. Pronto vamos a salir para Baja California. Soon we are going to leave for Baja California. Algún día quiero ver el Grand Canyon. Someday I want to see the Grand Canyon. Yo también. Have you been to the Grand Canyon? Vamos a estar en el Parque de Yosemite dentro de un mes. So we are going to be in Yosemite inside of a month or within a month. I really do want to go see the Grand Canyon sometime, but that's going to have to wait till the kids are older. I have just like this nightmare of just jumping off into the Grand Canyon. Sounds about right, right? Cuando vuelva a casa te llamo, está bien. When I get back home, I will call you. Is that okay? Sí, pero llama inmediatamente, eh? Yes, but call immediately, right? So saying it's okay to wait to get back, but call immediately. I always think about my mom because whenever I was driving at night, I had to call immediately. And if I didn't call soon enough, she'd be calling me, "Are you home?" That's just because she cares, right? All right, so let's go ahead and turn to the vocabulary. 371. We have el abrazo, hug. El cariño, affection. Think of caring there. Oh, and for hug, you use your arms, and you have the root word for arm in that word. Con cariño, affectionately. Dar un saludo a, to give one's regards to tell someone you said hello. De mi parte, from me on my behalf. Echar de menos, to miss someone. And then you have a alguien if you want to add the someone. Gracias por, thank you for. Querido, querida, dear. El saludo, greeting. Seguir, to continue. Sigues trabajando, are you still working? A la costa, to the coast. El albergue juvenil, youth hostel. En casa, encontrar un empleo, to find a job. Hacerse amigo, amiga de alguien, to make friends with someone. Montar en tabla de vela, to go windsurfing. Los parientes, relatives. Quedarse, to stay. Al siguiente, the next, and then you would follow it up with año for year and so forth. El día anterior, the day before. Días después, so you might put a number in front of it, like dos días después, 2 days later. Entero or entera, entire or whole. Segundo paso. Buena gente, really nice person. Me cae bien o mal, I really like or don't like. Me llevo muy bien con, I get along very well with. El clima, climate. Lindísimo, lindísima, really beautiful. Quedé muy impresionado or impresionada con, I thought whatever was great. rodeado or rodeada de, surrounded by, seco or seca, dry. Okay. Tercer paso, algún día, someday, cuando encontré un empleo, when I get a job. You'll notice these expressions here, they're in the subjunctive mood, which we'll be talking about. I put the video up this week too, but that means the endings are the opposite. And it's when you're talking about things that haven't happened yet. And we have that in English too. When you say, I wish I were, that's the subjunctive mood. But Spanish uses it a lot more than we use it in English. But that's why these look kind of weird. All right, cuando llegue, when whatever arrives. Cuando tenga más dinero, when I have more money. Cuando terminen las clases, when classes finish. Cuando vuelva a, when I get back to. Dentro de, within, and then we follow that up with, like mes, within the month. El la que viene, and again, you would have, an amount of time here, okay? Inmediatamente, immediately, para fines de, by the end of, and then pronto, soon. All right, so that's capítulo 12.